Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I will teach you how to install WordPress and set up your website using WordPress to promote any products that you want. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log in to your HostGator account, cPanel account, or whichever hosting provider you are using for your website. You need to just go to their cPanel and log in to that. So you log in and you will see that there is this cPanel opens up, and then you can uh, you need to find the WordPress installation option. So on HostGator cPanel, it's on the top. So you just go there and click on this get started with WordPress today. Once you open this, you can see that there is install WordPress option. Click and it will open up the installation form that you need to fill up in order to install. You may have more than one domain parked with HostGator, means hosted with HostGator. In that case, the list will show up, and choose whichever domain you want to use for this website. Be very careful, do not make a mistake here, because installing on another domain that already has some installation on it or website setup on it may corrupt that domain. So choose carefully whichever domain you want. After that, you in this part you can type blog. We want to install our uh, WordPress in a folder that is called blog. So you give it the name blog. Admin email is your email that you use for communication for your that you use for HostGator to set up the account and communicate with HostGator. So this should be your active email, and that is in use, and you can open it and you can check your emails, usually your Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever email that you are using. So enter your, I just give one example only. Blog title, you can put internet marketing blog. Then admin user, you need to choose a name that should not be very easy, because this is the one that is your this is the one username that you will use to edit, to set up your website. And usually most of the hacker that they try to hack your website, WordPress website, they hack through this username and password. So this should not be very easy, like if your name is everywhere on the website registrar, and you just put your own name as the admin user, it's very easy to, you have already given the half work done for hackers. So they don't need to guess your name, they just now need to guess on for your password. So try to make it difficult. So I can call it AJ, AJ being my name. Website name is TG, AJTG, then WP AD. I can even give it some uh, number, random number, or any number, and this can become my username. Then first name, give it your own first name, or whatever name you want to use for this blogging website. You may not use your own name, you may use some pseudonym for blogging purposes. You blog using that name, and you market, affiliate market using that name, you can give that name to this. And once you have filled up this form, and just uh, word press this install WordPress, and it will start the installation process. I will not for today's further carrying on the further setup. I will not use this because this website already has WordPress installed, and I do not have HostGator account. So I will go to another provider. I have basically this eHost account, and when I open up their cPanel, it looks like this. There's not much difference. Basically functions are same. So doesn't matter which hosting provider you are using. When you open their cPanel, you will you will see same kind of installs. If you and if you go through from here software quick install, you will still end up seeing the same thing, and that one is you can install various programs: WordPress, Drupal, Magneto, Joomla. All these are different ways of setting up your website. Here we are using WordPress. You can also use Drupal. You can also use Joomla. So these are most popular ways of setting up your website. But today we are using WordPress, so I will just go WordPress. Remaining process is same again for this even this web host provider. So I call it install WordPress. I choose the name blogblog.net, and I will put it under blog. Admin email, I usually use my Gmail, that is mostly used. I will give it that. Blog title, again internet marketing blog and vlog. Okay, this website name is vlog.net. Vlog means video log. Is something like doing blogging using the videos. So that's why I had obtained this domain name, because I want to set it up for blogging, both for text blogging, content blogging, and video content blogging. So I can call it internet marketing blog and vlog. Admin user, I should give it some not so easy AJ BLVL WPAD, and today's I can give it date, so the day I set it up. And I can even put some special characters to make it even more difficult to guess. At 15 10 16, so this is the thing. And I will, my full name is Aleem Javed. I will just give it AJ because this is the what name I want to use for my blogging website, Paul. So I am ready and good to go. I have filled up the form. You just press install WordPress. Click this, and it will offer you a theme. You don't have to do that at the moment. You just say no thanks. I am a web designer. So it will not offer you automatic help. Okay, one problem. I don't think we can use special characters here. So I will just delete this at and uh, proceed. Same thing, no thanks. I am a web designer. I don't need. It will start installing, and it takes literally it takes 5 seconds to install, depending again on your website's on your internet speed. And you will see this yellow bar appearing. And here, if you see, you can see and go credentials, and just you should copy. This is very important. Just copy this part and save this part. This, if you lose these credentials, you will have to set up the whole website again. So I repeat, this information is very critical. Please save it in a very safe location, and do not lose it. I will make another document that's called AJ install or whatever. Even I can give the name of the website that I'm using it, and I will copy that there, and I will save it immediately so that I don't lose it. Once I am done with this, I can close it, or I can straightway, actually don't need to close, just straightway go to the, this is your website editing URL. Here you will be doing all the editing. So open this up. Once you have opened, you need to look at your username that I selected is this. Copy username, then go back again, copy password. Okay, so I have, if I want to remember it, I will just say remember it, login. So now I am logging into a portal that I need to uh, where I can edit and set up my website. So this is the portal where I will be working to set up my website. So this should be, even if you forget sometime and you don't remember, the portal, the editing portal goes like this. You can always access your editing dashboard by typing your blog vlog. No need, there's no www is not required. Blogvlog.net slash, we installed it under blog folder, remember. Then after that it should end at wp-admin. This is the standard one. Every website, the WordPress dashboard is always this, your domain name slash blog wp-admin. If you click enter, you will go to the same page where you can log in. Okay, so we are logged in and ready to set up our website. This is the dashboard where we can access various features to set up, and I will first of all I need to go to this appear. Okay, let me close this that is covering. Okay, so I get rid of that. Appearance and plugins and installed plugins. First step that I need to do is this. And okay, before you start working on your setting up website, you need to open up your wordpress.com wordpress.com. This has nothing to do with your website WordPress dashboard. This is a separate account that you need to set up at https wordpress.com, and you have to, if you say log out, you will be able to see not sure where is logout button here. I usually don't use it. I mean, you have to, I can show you in another browser that where I'm not logged in. This is a separate account. This is, again I repeat, this is not your website WordPress admin URL. This is a totally different place, and you need to create an account here. Sign up, create an account. These details are Don't have to follow any particular pattern. You just feel whatever you want to give the information and choose a free basic account. You just need to have a free basic WordPress account to access some free features and free plugins that are done by WordPress. So you create this account, and in Chrome, where you are doing all your website editing and setting up, you open another uh, tab where you log into your WordPress.com account. So because this is must for the first step that we are doing to set up our website. Now I go back to my dashboard where I am working on setting up my website. So this dashboard is for my website WordPress admin. As you can see here, this is my website WordPress admin. Okay, so I need to come to plugins. First thing I need to check, you will see this Akismet plugin. Click activate, and you will see this activate your Akismet account. Next step you will see is get your API key. So get an Akismet API key. Here you don't have to spend any money. I mean, if you want, you can go ahead all the way. This basically, this plugin is to protect your blog from spam, and also provide some other features. It's quite expensive in terms of, if you, because it's a monthly ongoing subscription, $5 per month, $9 per month. It offers some options that backup, you can back up, you can do. These are good things. If your website really picks up and has value, then you need to, maybe you can consider this. For now, for start, you can just go to get best basic, and this will only will provide you spam protection. So get basic. Okay, it will still ask you to some donation. Don't have to worry about it. If you want, by all means, go ahead and donate something for providing this free uh, option for people. But you see this slider, you can choose how much you want to pay, or if you want to bring it to the left, it will zero, and then continue. So since it's working, I repeat again, you must be logged into your WordPress.com account. Otherwise, the process that just now I have done will not be the same steps. You will have to create WordPress account, log in WordPress account, and then go and click on activate Akismet plugin. Okay, so far is okay. It looks like you are adding a site. Yes, I am adding a site. That site is called blog.net blog. It should be correct address. You check, activate the site, and we are done. Akismet is now activated. Happy blogging. Go back to plugins again. Move on to next is Jetpack. Okay, not Jetpack here. Yeah, here. Your Jetpack is almost ready. Connect to WordPress.com. So we have open account in WordPress.com. We can connect it. If we click on this, this will again take us to WordPress.com. It will ask our approval. Approve it. Again, don't have to go for very expensive. You can see that this is monthly 299, 299. Let's say yearly is how much? Anyways, I think we don't need to go there. Oh, it's a yearly 299 actually. Yeah, monthly is 29. Okay, anyway, we don't have to go there unless you really want something. You can see what protection it's offering. It offers protection from it scam and malware, and it scans your website and protects those kind of features. And it also has some other features. You can look at it. For today, we are just using free one. So select free. Okay, once we are done, we are okay. You still see this yellow. There are some updates available for some plugins. You can actually go install plugins and whichever is available, you just select because it's more than one. You can always update here also if it's single. But if it's more than one, you can do the bulk action. Go bulk action, update, apply, and it will apply update these two. Okay, another step is go to Jetpack. Sorry, go to dashboard, home, and we see that updates. WordPress updates. Interested in having your backup set up for now? Learn more. Second line it says your site is currently displaying coming soon. If you want to check your live site, how it's looking at the moment, you can always go and remember your website address is this whole thing including slash blog slash. So if I open it in a new tab, paste and go, at the moment my website is showing only this. So I go back to my and I say once you are ready to launch your site, I click here. So this is a must do step, launching our website. And when we launch our website and we go uh, in, we should use actually another browser to check our website because in that browser we are logged in as editing mode. So I go to open Mozilla or Internet Explorer. So this is how my website looks at the moment. Okay, now we need to do some other adjustments. We need to get rid of certain things here. This meta is not required. Okay, so in these are called sidebars. This is a sidebar. This is right sidebar. This is left sidebar. This is the main body. So these are three columns. We see one, two, three. This is the left side sidebar. This is right side sidebar. This is the heading, and we need to customize a bit that we'll do in the next steps. First thing, we see whatever on our right side we want, we will leave it. Whatever options we don't want, we will remove it. So I think this one is not required in our blog site, so we will remove this option. Also, this is internet marketing blog proudly powered by WordPress. This WordPress, we don't want to use this word. First thing, because it's once someone clicks, it will go to wordpress.com, WordPress website, and we do not want our users to go anywhere from our website. It's a distraction and it's like sending your customer to somewhere else, or your users or your readers of your website somewhere else. That we don't want to do that. Secondly, it shows that we are using plugin, but we are some way we are using free and cheap met, back end software to maintain our website, and we don't want to give that impression. So we want to choose either totally remove these words or put something that related to our own website. So this one we want to change. Also another WordPress site. We are not just another WordPress site. We want to be a a site, not WordPress site. We want to be some good website. So we want to change this also. So in our next steps we are going to change. Let's minimize this. Go back to our uh, editing pages. I will pause here for a while. Okay, the next step we have to do to go to appearance and widgets. So just now I saw that we need to get rid of this side widget. This one especially we don't need. So I'll go back. So it's very easy to remove it from our website. We don't want to delete it. We just want to make it inactive. This widget comes with settings has been already done. So if we remove it and we want to add it again, we will have to redo the settings. But because of the theme we are using, free theme, it's already included. Setting has been done. So later, if we want to bring it in, we can easily bring in if we just move it back to inactive widgets. Under inactive widgets, you bring it here, you will see a box, you put it there. So now it's still part of our website, but it's inactive and it won't show up on our website. And of course, if we want to delete it, we can just clear and it will go permanently from our website. But later if we want to add, we have to go here and add it again and do the settings. So these are our existing widgets that we have on our website, and these are the widgets that we actually can have on our website. Okay, so we are done with widgets. Okay, now let's go to our next step, that is removing those words powered by WordPress. We have to go to settings, general and tagline. Settings is here, settings and general. Okay, you see this is the one that we want to remove, tagline. We can put something that's more our personal, not very standard that every WordPress website will have. So uh, AJ Paul's blog. I can call it blog vlog or blog and vlog. So this is more customized, more personal. It's not just standard generic WordPress stuff. You can choose another settings here also. You can always choose your admin email rather than here. You can send it to other place. Membership, anyone can register if you want to open it. People to become part of your uh, uh, website, they can post, they can comment on it and do stuff. You can do that if it's so. It depends, totally depends on so new users default role is subscriber. They will just subscribe to your blog. So what happens, they subscribe to your blog, they will get notifications in their email whenever you post something. So it's a good way to actually let them know when you post something interesting or promote something. So you can actually choose this, anyone can register. Time zone, you can choose time zone whichever you want to give. Singapore time zone at the moment I am not very certain, so I won't do this. But you can always choose whichever. Singapore is I think GMT plus 8. You actually we can choose by Africa. Why is not Asia? Yeah, we can choose by country actually. Yeah, so Singapore, and then work starts, what format of your date, some settings you can do here, and save changes. Now if you go to the website and actually live website and look at it, It was just another WordPress site. I reload it and it becomes. I think I have to close few tabs. See, look at the number of tabs that I have opened here, and I must close this so my internet is okay. And even within this I have to. Okay, the website has refreshed, reloaded. Now you can see AJ Paul's vlog. So it's not very generic. Not every WordPress website. It's not done by like prematurely. It looks more customized and more. Okay. Oh, I understand. My VPN is working. That's why it's a bit slow. So let me close some programs that I'm not using. Okay, so done. This thing done. Next step is to remove this footer. You see this footer? I don't want when people click and they go to somewhere else from my website. I don't want this to happen. Some more it's very amateurish and it's not really a professional work. So I don't want this. I can ratherly say proudly powered by AJ Paul. It's more personal. So I need to go to. Uh, Let me see. I need to go to appearance and then editor. Okay, this part you need to be a bit careful. Don't just click anywhere uh, because it can make your website go haywire. It's a back-end technical stuff, programming stuff that uh, is creates your website, and you just look at here. Before I do that, let me share one more thing. When we install our WordPress, remember from HostGator, we install our WordPress. WordPress basic installation doesn't create a website. It just puts the program on our website. Using that program, we can do the steps to create a website. But when we install WordPress, it it needs themes. What it needs is called themes, appearance themes. So when we install WordPress, it automatically installs some free default theme. It comes with a default theme. Usually the theme name is the year name 2016. And if you go to the appearance and themes, you will see that it will say there are three themes installed on this our WordPress installation, and active theme is 2016. Means every year this changes. Next year will be 2017, next year will be 2018, and they give 2 years old themes as well. So we can choose whichever theme we want to activate from here. I can go and ask to activate 2015 and it will automatically activate this and deactivate this. Another way is we can buy much nicer looking feature rich themes as well. There are many companies, even WordPress itself has many themes. If we go to wordpress.com or org, there are themes available, some free, some with price tag, starting 20, 30, going all the way to 90, $100. Each theme may have different features, may be used for different purposes. There are themes to set up your art gallery. There are themes to set up your blog. There are more specialized themes, gives you more features, more control, and more ways to edit your and make your website beautiful. But being paid themes, and they are constantly being updated by the uh, providers, theme providers. Here we are using only a free theme that comes pre-installed. So this is called theme. If you want to preview a theme, you can just preview. uh, Installed themes is already previewed on your live website, because this is the what it will look like. But if you want to see the uninstalled theme, I mean unactivated theme, you can click on live preview and you can see how does it look. So that's the basic thing and about themes. So it comes pre-installed, and in our case it pre-installed is 2016. I can go and buy and upload a new theme also, but we are not doing that at the moment, and not I'm not covering that. It's a very easy step. You just click upload and you upload the zip file and click install, and it will install, and the same way it will show up here and it will say active. So if you want to do that, but it's not difficult. Buy the theme, download the theme. It will be a zip folder. Save it on your computer somewhere. When you want to upload, you just say upload, and it will ask you to choose where you have saved it. Go to that folder, click, and it will upload that zip folder. You don't have to unzip or uncompress it. You have to upload as it is, and it will install it, and then you can activate. After installation, it will show up here, and then you can say activate whatever theme you want. So this is the basic thing about the themes. So now, okay, so this what we are trying to change, this layout is all is part of theme. So we are working on customizing our theme. So I want to customize this part. Even if you buy paid themes, they might have uh, their creators logo or something here. We do not want to publicize that. We want to publicize only our website. So that's why we will remove this, and we will do this in under appearance, under editor, and active theme is already selected. It will be always active theme. Our active theme is 2016. It's there. I can edit 2015, but my used theme is 2016. So the changes will not show up unless I go and change my theme from 16 to 15. So by default, when we come to editor, it already selects our installed theme. It doesn't select other themes that are not active. But make sure that, just to be on safe side, make sure that you are editing the right theme. Theme is, check this. Now you need to look for this theme footer. We are trying to change. This is the footer. This is at the footer of the website. So we are trying to change it. Theme footer. Again, it will give you a warning. Be very careful. Do not click anyhow and paste and cut and do something. You change one letter here or one letter position here. The footer can go wrong. So proceed. And in this box now the code has shown up. This is the code. This is the backend. This whole thing code makes your theme look like this. You change anything that code, this thing will change. Okay, so I'm back at the editor. Edit theme. I'm editing this theme. I'm putting footer. Go all the way to the end, and here you need to do is, because I want to remove that uh, what do you call it, that powered by WordPress.com. I want to remove that. Go there and you look for this two lines, A H reference PHP echo, this, and second line site info, this. Select these two lines. Should not be this site footer, should not be this span, the line between these two. Once you have selected, make sure this is the one. Click delete on your keyboard, the thing that will delete. Now you want to add some info that you want to add. If you want to add something, whatever you want to show up on your footer, it can be anything you want. It's a quote, it's a Bible verse, it's your motto, mission statement, it's your address, it's your whatever. Actually, whatever, go and look at the general practice, what people are putting on their website in the footer. You can do that text here. So I will usually do is, mine is copyright. Okay, then I will put my website name, that is I can use www here, www dot, I can use even the words capital blog dot net and blog full stop. Then I can put some other, the copyrights issues. I can put copyrights 2016 or whatever, and I can put all rights reserved. So I have added just now added some text, and if I update file, once I'm sure that this is the what I want to appear. Okay, looks okay. All rights reserved. I update file, and I go and look at my live website. At the moment, it's showing proudly powered by WordPress. I update it, reload it. See, blog.net, all rights reserved. Done. So now I am done with customizing this thing. Next, let's move on to next. Next step is to add pages to my website. I want my website to look like this. Is what I did for TG marketing code blog. So these are pages that I want to add. Home is where my blog entries will be. So I want to make this look like exactly look like this, have these pages. So I go back to my, I need to go to pages, add new page, call it free resources, and publish. I am only creating empty pages. I'm not adding any media. If I want to add some wording, some media, some photos, some videos, I can always add it and do the editing function here. That is not scope of this today's tutorial. I will try to do bit, at least add one product to show you, but now not at the moment. I will go and either click pages and add new here, or just on top there is add new option. uh, I will click add new again. Next I want to have products, publish. Once I publish this page, this becomes published and it becomes editable. Next step is to update. If I make any changes, is to update. Even if I put a dot here that I want to show up, I have to update it. Not at the moment, because I just want to publish blank pages. So I go, make sure I have published this, go to new. I usually people a website will put about us. I want to sound it bit different. I want to call it reviews or rave reviews. Publish. That means the published. Add new one more. Each website should have some contact, support, customer support, some page about where people can contact if they have any issues, any concerns. So I can call it support and publish. So I'm done. I have created 5 pages. If I go to my main pages, all pages tab, I will see the 4 pages there. One page is automatically added when we install WordPress. It's automatically added. It's called sample page. Don't worry or bother about it. If we want to edit later anytime, we can just click edit, quick edit, or even delete the page, any page we want. We can do it here. Okay, so next one is to create menus. Again, I have to go to appearance, theme, appearance and menus. This menu I create, I will call it home. I will enter home here in under this menu name, and once this is the menu name I want, I will call it, click create menu. Once I have created my menu, I can add pages to that menu, and you see suddenly this has become available. I can select all. Some people may have 1000 pages. So rather than clicking one by one, they can say select all, and then they can go and unselect whichever 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 pages they don't want. Like I can say select all, but this sample page I don't want to show up. I don't want this page to show up on my live website. So I will uncheck this, and I want only these 4 that I created, and I say add to menu, and they will show up inside my add to menu here. So it's still adding, it's doing the background work. Okay, the pages are there. So I have added these pages. Next step is to click on custom links, your website URL. Now you need the full URL of your website. Go to your active website page. This is your website, this is your main page. You press enter, you go here. So this is the URL. Just select all, copy, minimize, and here also you can delete this HTTP because you don't want to repeat it, and type your full URL here. Make sure it's a correct URL, no repetition, no nothing wrong. Okay, and link test we have to give. It's now they have made it must. Link test text is home, so this will show up as home, and when I say add to menu, it shows up immediately there. It's no more pending. Once this shows up here, now I can save menu. And I have saved menu. Now I go to manage locations. My primary location should be, like I said, home. So if it's not there, select home, save changes. So I'm done with my setting up my pages and setting up my menu. If I go back and look at the live website, so far there's nothing. We have just now created pages and menu, and I reload it, and I can see that there will be. So it's there. Now the home is here. We usually want home to this side. Then we want to arrange the sequence. Home itself is not a page. We never created a home page that's called home. This is our menu. So whenever we click home, it will bring us actually to this hello world, our blog entry. So we go back to our editing website. I want to go back to edit menus. I want to show you a little bit when you want, just in case if you want to have more. First thing, how to change the sequence of the uh, pages. I want home to appear first. Then I want free resources to appear. Then I want products to appear. and then I want rave reviews, and then I want support. So I want this sequence to appear. I save menu, I go back to website, see the sequence should change now. When I do that, the sequence is changed. Okay, the same menu is used to make sub pages. Sub pages, what are sub pages? Let me open you another account. This is the website that I am doing for some other purpose. It has lots and lots, it has 50 pages. So see, our services then have inside second layer of pages, and then after second layer it has even third layer of pages. So this is called sub pages. One more thing, remember, your website front, the first page or home page, should not have more than 7 pages. 5 to 7 maximum. Here you can put 5 to 7. Then if you want to put other pages, you should be go like this: sub menu, then even this one has some more. You can even go further down. You can add layers to it, but you should not have 100 pages listed here. That is very bad, and it's not good for your ranking, Google ranking. So 5 to 7 uh, pages on the front page. Our website has only 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. That's fine enough, good enough. Okay, so how do you create sub menus is very easy. If I want to make uh, products is main page, I want to make rave reviews second page, I just push it bit a bit to the right side and it becomes a sub page. Let me show you, save menu and show you, go there and show you. Now what I have done, this one should not be here, this one should be under products. This is what I have done. See, products has an arrow and the rave reviews has gone under it. I can create even the third layer of menu if I put it there. Is slightly more indented to the page. So this is the third level. I save again. I go, I update, even this one now will disappear. Gone. So I have second layer rave reviews and then third layer is support. So I can go from here to rave reviews, and from rave reviews I can go to support. Actually I can go to the last one directly from here by coming here and clicking here. So let me go back to products. Then from products I don't want to go to rave reviews, I just want to go third layer support. I can go here. Okay, so that was how you create sub menu, sub pages. I don't want to create any sub pages on this website, so very easy, just push it back and push it back all the way to the left. Save menu again. Remember, every change, save menu. I'm happy with this page setup. This is the what I want. I double confirm. I reload my website and I see that all pages what I want is there. Happy. This is where my post will show up. This is where people's comment will show up. Here the date of the post. I do new post. This will push down and new post will appear here, and date of that post will appear here. You can even add time if you want, date and time also if you want, you can do that. I can also categorize my posts under different categories. I want to use this website is blogging, but I want to blog about, okay, we put this website as internet marketing blogging. So that's the one niche. So I can go into sub niches, I can do sub categories. But if it's my website is about generic blogging about anything, and I want every post under one thing, it becomes very messy, very lengthy, and very long. So I can categorize. Internet marketing can be one niche. So I can put a category, and my post that I choose uh, to tag as internet marketing will go under that category. And I can create another category called fun, humor, then another called motivational. So I can have multiple categories and multiple type of posts and even subcategories as well. So those will show up here. Okay. So this comment was made by WordPress. WordPress automatically creates first post and creates first comment just to let us see how the comments will show up. So we can leave it there, or we can delete this comment in other pages. We will leave it there for time being. So I am happy with my pages. Now I want to go to the posts. How to edit page or post is the same function. Each WordPress website will have two type of pages. Pages Pages are these. These are pages that I edit. These, this, this, and this. And this is the post where I can put my blog posts. And under the dashboard, they show up pages and they also show up as posts. So they are differentiated by pages or posts. So editing pages means editing pages here, and I can edit page, go to the edit mode, but now I want to go to the posts. By default there is a one post, hello world. I can edit it, and I don't want to call it hello world. I can call hi, hola, whatever, whatever I want to call it. I can call it, I can name it. For time being I can leave it hello world. You think of another thing, you can do it. You want to change the content, I want to add content. This blog is all about internet marketing. Okay, that's what I want to tell people. Even though my title already suggests it's internet marketing, but I can write something. If I want to add photos here, I can add photos here. I click add media, and I can upload photos and videos here and create a library. If I go to library, but at the moment I haven't uploaded anything, and but I can upload here. So I go to upload file, I select file, and I go to, if I want, I know a nice picture that I have, and I want to put it in. Let me see, I should have some nice photos there. Okay, let's say I want to put this nice photo there. It will upload to your website. I can do some, okay, sometime when we put photos and they are very big size, first thing, the file size should not be very big, because your website will slow down. And nowadays if a page doesn't load in 2-3 seconds, it's not considered a good website. It takes 5-6 seconds, it's already slow and people don't want to watch your see your page. So you need to be careful. Don't load very heavy photos on the website. If they are heavy, try to make them uh, less size by compressing the size. That we can discuss in another tutorial somewhere. You can find, google it, how to compress a photo size, and you will find 100 tutorials there. So its size should not be, this is actually quite big, more than 1 MB. Ideal size can be 200 KB, 100 KB. The lesser the size, the better, it's in faster it will load. And after that I can give it a title also. These titles are useful if your website is loading very slow and picture is not loading. Okay, these are related to this picture, this photo. Sometimes picture doesn't load and it fails to load, and then some text shows up that tells that okay, this picture is not loading, there was some text. So if you put related text, that is at least some give some help to the person who is looking at your website. So it can have some idea that this picture was about what, this media was about. Internet marketing. Uh, I can call it lifestyle. I can call this picture as internet, and I can give some. Okay, this title will show up actually on your website under the picture. So if I don't want to give it, I just don't give it because this one is not necessary. Alter text, that is important. This shows up when we do not then when the picture does not load. The internet is slow. The person who is using the internet, the other side, reach our website, his net is slow and this doesn't load. This is the text that will show up, and this is the description of a glimpse of internet lifestyle. This picture is all about internet lifestyle. Free, go to beach, have a van, drive around, enjoy your life. So this is what it's showing. Alignment, I can choose either here, but I won't do anything here. Size, of course, I can choose. I can put full size, or I can choose smaller size here also. When they open the picture, in what size it shows up, and it looks on, it shows up on your medium is okay, but if you can adjust it whatever you want. Once I'm happy with the settings, I can just insert into post, and here the picture shows up. Okay, at the moment this text, if okay, after every change I need to update. Remember, update. You can do all the changes in the page and update at the end, but I want to see each step. Go to live website. I have put one comment. This blog is all about internet marketing. I have put text. I have put photo. So if this photo doesn't load, there will be a text, some text showing this photo was about. That is the alternate text. Okay, I go back. Okay, main purpose of showing this tutorial is to enable you to add an opt-in form. You want to add an opt-in form for people to come and sign up so that you can collect their email. So that is the main purpose, and that for that purpose we need to go to get response, or whatever your uh, autoresponder you have. I have get response, so I will go and sign up, log in to get response. So I will log in. So we need to install web form. That is our purpose of creating this website, to direct traffic to these web forms, opt-in forms, where people can enter their email address and we can collect the list. In order to do that, we need an autoresponder, and autoresponder we are going to use is I am signed up with get response. You may have different one like Aweber or others. uh, so we will use that autoresponder and sign up. So you go and sign up whichever autoresponder you have. Mine is get response. So first thing that we need to do on our autoresponder is to create a campaign. So it works like this. Each web form is associated with a campaign. You can create multiple web forms for related with one campaign. So here we will do just one web form and one one campaign. So in order to do, you when you log in, you usually end up on dashboard. If you are not there, just go to dashboard, and there On the right hand side you see this wheel and this small very little arrow. Here you can see all your campaigns, or if you don't see you can check campaign list. But here we suppose that we don't have the campaign that we want to associate our web form, so we will create a new campaign. Create campaign. Once you create the campaign, click create campaign, it will open this simple form. Just give it a name. At the moment you might have only one campaign and few campaigns, easy to remember. But suppose you are 6 months down the line and you have 100 campaigns and 1000 campaigns, and you don't know which campaign goes where, so you need to have a scheme, naming scheme that you strictly follow. Like I will say this campaign is blog vlog campaign, and it's for blog vlog is website is created on 15/10/16, and it's WB web form. You can actually, each web form you will have to select a name also. So I don't think I want to give web form name here, because each campaign can have more than one web form as well, or opt-in form as well. So I will just say blog vlog 15/10/16, and yeah, you might have categories. This is about internet marketing. I am, so I can call it I am. So this scheme I should always follow. So blog vlog is a website name, date created, and this is internet marketing, related to internet marketing. So I create campaign. It will straightway create campaign, and uh, lowercase. Okay, it only accepts lowercase. So I do that. BLVLG 15/10/16, and I use just lowercase. IM means internet marketing. So I create campaign, and there is the campaign. If I already have some contacts, I can add contacts list here to that campaign. But the whole purpose of this campaign is to collect email addresses promoting IM, or even if it's a you are promoting particular product, and this campaign is for that, only that product. You can give that product name, add that product name to campaign also. Okay, so next step I need to do is to edit campaign setting. The first tab it will open up is general tab. Nothing much to change here. It's blog vlog, that campaign name, English is language. This one leave it unsubscribe. Notifications, when someone signs up for your through your opt-in form, do you want to receive an email? And if you want to receive an email, you should click it on, and then you should select your email address where the email you want to go. You, by default it will choose the get response default email. That is what you, when you open get response account, you entered an email, that is the email. But you can add your other emails as well here. Add new email, like blog is my website, so I can create through my cpanel, I can create accounts. Alim at blogblog.com, ajpaul at blogblog.com, admin, whatever, and I can add those emails here. So whenever a campaign someone signs up, the email goes to that. You can switch it off as well, because let's say if 100 people sign up, you will receive 100 emails, and you don't want to have that. So you can switch it off, but I will leave it on for time being. Postal address is must. Somehow I don't really like to give my full postal address, even the unit name. It's some US spam related laws, so they can contact you if you are spammer, and they know where you stay. So I usually what I do is I put block, and I don't put my unit number, and it will. So this one is not necessary, so it will look like this. You can choose a format. block 9 Singapore. So city I can put Topayo if you don't want the repetition. State I can even put blank. Let's try if it doesn't show up. Okay, preview looks fine and I can save it. Okay, state must enter. Okay, I can choose custom and I can remove state and this should be fine. If I don't want city, I can even remove the city bracket and it will disappear from here. It will not ask. So that's good enough. Let's try to save again. Hopefully it doesn't ask for state again. Okay, whatever you do, you have to put state. No, that doesn't really matter. So it's okay. I can put SG. Looks fine. Everything is okay. So I put my address and it's there. So I am not giving my full address, I'm just giving my block and that's the thing, that should be enough and done. Next is profile. You can customize is your whatever profile you want to show up if it shows up on your campaign, but actually it's not necessary. This one permission part is necessary. We don't want confirmed opt-in. We just once people enter their email, they are signed up. They don't have to confirm their sign up again. We don't want that because confirmed opt-in or double sign up, double opt-in, the opt-in ratio drops from 100 to 25. Usually that's the rate that they people say it happens. So we don't want the people to ask them to double confirm their opt-in. Once they do it, that's all. We remove all these. Make sure you do that. Another thing is confirmation page. When people have signed up and you click sign up button on your opt-in form or web form and nothing shows up, you are not sure whether the internet stopped, you signed up really or you didn't. So there's a no confirmation. We don't want happen when we don't want leave the customer or the visitor to leave in that kind of state, because sometimes if people really want it and need it and they think they must get it and they don't get any confirmation, they wonder, okay, did it go through, did it not go through, because they don't see any confirmation. So we want them to see a confirmation, and this confirmation page is default by get response. It's very simple. We can actually see the preview. It will just say thank you for subscribing. You have been added to this list. Okay. Or we can create a page on our website. That my website is blog.net. Blog is another main folder. Then I can put a page there. Thanks. But this page I must create there. It's not just type here and then it will automatically create. I go to my website and create this page and put some text there, some picture there, so say thank you for signing up to my email list, and I can beautify that and make much nicer than than the default confirmation page. So I can do that, but for time being I will just leave it there and use the hosted get response. But after doing this, I already received this message setting edit, so there is no save button. Be sure that I am on this uh, this campaign and I have set up my campaign. Next step is to set up my web form. Forms are under here, create form. This is opt-in page, is called web form on this. I don't have to go list or plain HTML integration. I just list wizard because these are automatically created ones with some background, some plain, and I can choose accordingly. I can still do little bit of amendments here, change the wording and the thing and add stuff here. Uh, so I can choose that what suits you. Only want to collect their email and their name. So you choose whatever according to your taste, your color scheme of your website, whatever, however the design sense you have, you just choose it. And Yeah, I just choose this one. Let me see. Okay, gender I don't need. Actually, I think I should be able to remove this field. So let me try this template. Okay, subscribe to our newsletter. That's fine. Newsletter is email list, so I can send email. So it gives me this option. If you don't like the wording, you can choose the wording. You I don't know what level of get response you have. You might be able to do some words and changes and size and height and all kind of color here. And I will just for leave it for time being here. You can click here, select and change the wording. You can come here and you will see there uh, is something is there. Let me see whether I can delete it. So I need email address, I need the first name. I don't want to put too many things here because I don't want people to be frustrated and don't fill up the form and ask why you want to do like this or that. So I click on it. If I see delete button, I can delete it. So that will disappear. If I want to add some text, I can actually just copy. See, there is a copy. Can I copy Control D? Let's see. Control D is copy. Okay, not that. So I cannot copy. So no, doesn't matter. If you have option, you can actually add fields here. What field you want? You just want simple text. I can add. I can add text. I think I have to text drop here. Drag and drop, and I can enter. Uh, we respect your privacy and will not send you spam you and will not give your contact your details to other, something that kind of message that you can put it there. And it may be required even sometime. Anyway, I will just delete it for time being. You can even change this, make the color change, style, layout. See the you click style, you can change the font size, color, everything. You can just play around with this. And to me it looks fine. It looks quite okay. And from I don't know whether I can increase the size. Yeah, I can increase the size, but let's not do that. Okay, so I just leave it as it is. By doing this, I think I have changed the setting, changed the alignment, and let me see if I have to. I can drag and drop it again. Okay, I think I have to go back and do it again because the format is gone. And let me, oh, actually I can undo, undo. Okay, I can undo, use do redo and undo here. Okay, so this is what I want. Once done, I can actually do the thank you page. If I want, I can actually work on thank you page also, and I can put it here. So I will have two pages, but I don't want. I just go there and I put it this one, and I say save and publish. If I want to change some setting, form setting, I thought I name was wrong, so I can double check. Double confirmed in should be off because our campaign doesn't allow double opt-in. That's what we want. These are default setting. I don't need to do anything. Just if I want to change the name of change the campaign name or web form name, I can change here. By default it's given the web form it is. I can actually call it according to my uh, blog. So this is tells me that this is form is from this website, created on this. So I can do that, and I can save it. So web form is saved. Next one is just save and publish. Okay, this is very important part, because this information I will not have access again. Okay, I can put my web form if I don't have website. Actually, I don't need website if I can do without it. I can put my web form on GetResponse website also, but it will GetResponse website name. So there is no establishing your own identity on internet. You are using GetResponse at the publicity. Other than emailing list, all other publicity traffic is going to GetResponse. So you are not benefiting from people visiting your website, liking your pages, going to your Facebook, all that kind of stuff. So that's the one issue, and that's why I don't want to host it on. Even though it's free, with comes with the GetResponse account, but I don't want to do it. And somehow there's a limit of, I think, web forms you can create at a time. I think it's a one only if you host it on their website. One at a time only. I'm not sure, that one we have to check. So I will install my web form. I will choose this option, the first option, and I have to double click on this script. Don't try to change it, and copy it. Now this script is very important. This is my web form that I can put it on any website that I own, or any place where I want to put it. So copy it, and I recommend that you go and save it on your info that is critical info for your this website, all that process. You put the web form, you can put web form name also. So this is this web form, you know that. And my web form was uh, blog blog, I think this was the name. So just put save it there, and this is my paste, this is my code. Click control save, and it's saved. Okay, so now I have copied the web form. I go to my website. Okay, this one is another important thing to remember. If you are editing your post, remember we were editing our post to add some photos, add some text. I can actually make text bigger if I want. I can make it bigger. I can click here and I can make it in the centralize, so it will go centralize. I can make it centralize. I can make this picture centralize, so everything is in the center of the this is the body central column. And after that I come down. Okay, each page has two kind of visuals. We must remember this. This is a visual part. This is how it will look like. But this part is, that is the outcome, the product of an HTML code. If we want to see the code, we have to switch. Here you see two tabs, visual and text. If we switch to text, we will see the code. You can generate a whole website just using the code if you know HTML and CSS coding. We don't know, that's why we use this to do the simple editing, like putting the text, adding photos. But the web form that we have collected from here, from this website, is a code, is a HTML JavaScript code. So I cannot add it here, because it will show up as it is, because it will treat it as a text visual form. I need to go to text. I know it's at the bottom of the page, so I have to go to the, I mean all the way, below every other text. I go down. If I want to give more space, I give more space, but I go down. I don't want to give much space, and I paste the code here. Make sure this is the code that you have copied and even pasted here, saved here, is the same code. So it's the same code. Okay, now I update. Once update is done, I'm still looking at the code part. That doesn't make any sense to me. I need to see visual. How does it look in reality? And I see in this editor page, it's still somehow editor page. So code it cannot, HTML certain code, web form code, it cannot translate into the picture. You will see a small button there. This is a JavaScript, actually it's not an HTML script. So it's a JavaScript, and if you bring your cursor here, it says script. So if you just select this and actually you the center, align center, it will become centralized even though you don't see what is there. It's some JavaScript. And if you want to increase the space, you just put cursor in between and you enter and it will go down, and your backspace it will go and delete. So I want it to near the picture, not so near, maybe give one line space here. And actually I can put some wording here. I can, this part I can put wording here. Please fill in below form to sign up to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe is a nicer word, not so threatening, because it's you are not signing up some, I don't know what. So I want to, because everything is centralized, I want this one to also be centralized, and I can give it a color. I can give all this kind of whatever formatting I want to do. I can do it. So I see everything is centralized. So once everything is centralized, I update my page. Okay, this is just a sample post. Okay, other than form, you can actually write something more about what you are trying to do. What is about signing up? What is your website? What is your post? You know, blog post. If you read blog, it can be about things. If you are uh, you can write that this blog will have free, this website will have some free sources for internet marketing, some good products, quality products and reviews and all that kind of stuff. And if you want to continue visiting my website and receiving emails about my our interesting offers and things, please subscribe to my form. So you can write something whatever you think is appropriate on this blog post, and then you can uh, publish it. So we have updated the page, and now let's go back to our live website and see how does it look. This is the one. Let's reload it. Okay, see that there is a post. Usually try to post little bit more than few words. Do something uh, creative here, and picture is necessary or not necessary. It's not really necessary actually. You can, a picture is not even necessary here. You can put it here before text, between text, somewhere, or not actually delete it totally. So it's all is depends on what you want to, and how you want to present your blog post. This is called one post. This has been posted on September. Okay, our timing is still wrong, so I think we need to uh, we'll go and check the general settings again. But why it's September 26? Okay. Okay, so done. This thing is done. So we see that people sign up here. You can text actually. You can use any email address, even fake one, and you put it here, name. And when you, okay, let's why not do that. So I show you how to check your actually how to check your list also. So I just put AJ at me, and I put my first name is A. I mean, it can be one or two, whatever. AJ. and I say I am in. Okay, so it is showing something, but it is not showing me the confirmation page. Or is it because I am already subscribed? I'm not sure what it should show me, at least the confirmation page, but let's see. Mm, For that one, I need to go and check my. Oh, okay, there. I need to check my campaign again if I go to dashboard, and my this is my campaign, and I can go to campaign list. I can go see I have all these are test campaigns only, not really real. Okay, this is the one that I created. Action, I can say settings. Okay, permission, confirmation page hosted by get response. Okay, so I know where the problem happened. When I was creating the web form, I clicked on thank you page and I didn't actually create it. So this ways it's getting some confusion and it's not going to the default. So if you don't when you are clicking on create forms and you choose a form here, you choose any form. Let's say I choose this. Do not click on thank you page, because this thank you page means you are trying to create another thank you page than uh, the get response hosted, and it will not work if you don't really follow and create it properly and host it properly. So you don't do this, you just create this, remain to this, stay on this one, edit it however you want, and after editing just save it, save and publish it, and copy the code and go back to do that copy in there, and you will see that you will receive uh, the confirmation after someone signs up. That person will see the confirmation. uh, okay, so we go back to this one and we see that everything is okay. This is my post, this is my first post, and date we need to still settle. Let's go back to the settings in general. Here is the date, time format is I can choose whatever I want, and October 15th, so it's not updating. Why it's not updating? uh, okay, let's save changes again and see. Okay, so this first post probably maybe it's by default it randomly chooses, because its first post was actually is not done by us, it's done by WordPress, and it's so that's why it's choosing some previous date. So let's just for sake of testing only, let's just go and do another page post, uh, post, add new. Okay, uh, Actually, I need to first go to the first post. Let's not go to the first post, just give it a title. I want to call it test. I want to, this is for test purpose only. Then again, if I want to add image, let's just for sake of adding only, let's do that. I just select the same image. I alt text insert is there. Then I go further down. I I suppose I still have that text there. JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. Remember, you can't post it here. You have to go under text under this format because this is a code. So you have to paste it under code format. Okay, now you see it looks like a code, and so this is a new post. Okay, so this is the title of my post that will show up on here, and link, if I want to create direct link to this post, that link you can promote on Facebook or anywhere. So I can actually change that link here also. I can give it any name basically. But let's say we don't do anything here. I just want to just check this, and I want to go back visual and see this. Then there's too much space. Okay, sign up. I just write sign up below, and then this is all aligned to left. I want to put it centralized, centralize, click, centralize. Okay, everything centralized, publish. So I see this thing here. Now I go and update. This was some post done by WordPress. I only edited this post. That's why this, I think the date is not changing. Now if I update, yeah. See, second post test October 15, 2016. Thing is there. And if you want to comment, someone can comment it, and that comment will show up here. Remember, there were some recent comments. People can comment. So that's what here can do. And this is it. This is the older post, September 2016. One comment, and there's no more. So see, there's archives. There's it will automatically archives according to month on monthly basis. So if you go to September, you can see all the posts done in only in September 2016. Then October and then whatever. So that's what we do. Now next thing I want to show you is how to uh, put a product in free page resource or product page, and it's basically it's the same process. Both here it's free, there it's paid one, and you are not selling anything on this website. I mean, you are not selling in that terms that you are not receiving uh, payment on this website. You are just putting the product and link there so that they can go to wherever affiliate that you are linked as affiliate, go to that their website and buy it. But this will carry your affiliate link and your ID, so you will be entitled to get the commission from whatever product you are trying to sell as affiliate. So this is, I want to make sure, this is not, this website is not dealing any money taking or collecting uh, stuff. This is only listing your products with the link to buy. Okay, so let's go that there, and I, that would be under, you can promote here also on this post, on this page also, but you want to list permanently here, so you can list here also. This post will go down as the other newer posts come in, and that post may go down the line 6 months very at the bottom and people not see, but products that you add here, they are listed in order of your listing, and you can have multiple pages also if uh, you add want to add more than what can one page can take. So let's go and try to add one product. So for this I have to go to pages, add new page. Sorry, no, I'm not adding new page. I am doing on products. Okay, so edit. Okay, so leave it here open. Now I will send you one more file. This is basically something that TG has some products, so it's not your product. If this is just for sample only, once you get digital elite, you can use the same code with some changes, and that will point to your product. If you promote as it is, this will point to TG's page, and TG will get the commission and all the stuff that he's trying to sell. So this is only for example, because we don't have NBPS, we cannot promote because it's in the in transition, and uh, so we have to just take some example. So what you do is I save it. Let me save it first for desktop. Let me go to my USB drive. This one is the folder gold, and each one is actually one product. There are many more than one products. Each code is one product. So since I am doing only one, so I will use this. Okay, when you have your own product, what to change is, okay, let me show you first how does it look when we are uploading it. Copy the code. This is one. These are 17 products altogether. So I'm not listing 17 products. I am only listing. Let me first say just maybe list few products. Okay. Let me go till here and see what is there. Copy. Go back to your website. Okay, that is, this file is code. Again, this file is not visual, it is a code, it is HTML code. So you have to go to text, and this is the title of your page. It will show up on your, actually it shows up here. If you go to products, it shows up here. Okay, if you don't want, you have to remove this title. Actually you have to put this title, but when I make it nicer, some ways can put some pictures or something. Never mind, this one will, I'm not dealing here. Okay, so I copy and paste the code. Don't have to do anything. This is code. I go to visual and I see the list of the products that I have put. Now this is only the list. Okay, I don't have any picture. How do I add picture? Now this is how the visual will look like. It's just update the page, and if I go to live website and I reload the product page, you will see that products show up. This has link. If I click here, this will go to the page where TG's product is. located. Okay, so I'm not selling there on this website, I'm sending the traffic to this page to sell the product. Someone can actually buy it, literally buy it, and the payment will go to uh, as arranged between Henry Gold and TG. Is it affiliate or the everything goes to TG, whatever, whoever is the owner of this page. So that's what, see, this is ID is there, so it's affiliate marketing. Okay, now and we are not here to leave page, it's just that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I can beautify it by adding pictures. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to push it down, enter, and I want to add one picture here, picture of this product. You can go and if I go, I can see the pictures here, so many pictures. If I don't have picture, I can take picture from here. Where is this product detail? This is the product detail. Now how to take picture? This is not a picture. Can I save image? Let's say save image, part 5. Okay, let's save my on my desktop. Okay, part 5, and I go back, and now I want to add image media, and I want to save that photo of the product that I took picture. I upload, I remember I saved it on my desktop, and it's called part 5. Open. I can see the picture is there, size is not very big, 374 KB, within the range. Okay, again I can give some alt text. It should be related to Facebook marketing, what is called secrets. Alt text is important because if the photo doesn't load, at least people know what is this about. Here you can put the full name hyphen step by step TRAININGGUIDE. So this is my description. Again, size, okay, good enough. Even go smaller, no problem. You can choose here a bigger. Full size is whatever the exact size of picture is, it will show. But even if I choose if I choose this, I'm not sure this one will. Okay, so this is shows the full size at this rate. When I choose this one, actually size will go smaller. And I can also edit image here, but we are not dealing with this. You can try it out. You can edit image and it will help you to reduce the size. So but when this is the full size. If I show full picture, if I show medium, of course the size will be automatically reduced. So done, insert into. Okay, now the tricky part is this. I want to beautify it a little bit more. So I can say that actually I should not have put the image here, or maybe, so if I press delete, let's see. Okay, yeah, if I press delete, this one move. Okay, not here. Control Z, Control Z. I want to add image here at the beginning of this line. I go back again, select image, insert. Okay, so this one doesn't. Okay. Oh yeah, because okay, yeah. So this is the format I have to choose. Align left, and then there is some text there. You see, there is some text, some lines, text. So this format I choose, and it will here, and the product is there. So this image is for this product. I don't want this product to show up next to this image, so I can enter, push it down. Okay, push further down, so there's space between two products. Okay, so that's how I enter picture here. Next picture I can enter. Come here, there is one, and I can go to this Facebook marketing page, follow the link from there. Yes, or YouTube marketing. Go back where I see the picture. This is the picture. I save image. Remember YT package on my desktop. Cool. I click here. I add media. I upload file. That was YT package. YT package. Okay, YT package is done. Alt text. I must add some alt text. This text is about YouTube marketing, and the full name in description, and insert shows up here. I want to put it, I want to choose this thing. See, so it says that the image along with the text. So I push back this again to, so I can add all the images to make it more beautiful. And actually yeah, this one has some images, something. I can add even more description if I want, other than just check out my spellings as well. And once I'm done, I update. And if I go back to website, it had no pictures. Now if I reload, and I have pictures. And actually I can put the link when I'm here. I want people who click here, they want to go to, either they click here or they click here, they go to that website where I'm selling this website. Okay, so actually what I want to do is I I can edit this picture again. And okay, yeah, this is the must do thing. Yeah, this is a must do thing. uh, Open link in new tab. So it will not move the customer from your website to go to the product website, but it will actually open link in the new tab. New tab means your, okay, update. This one I have changed the open link in new tab, so it will open a new tab. See, new tab, and it goes to the link. But if I don't do that, this one I haven't done. Okay, this one there is no link at all. Actually, I have to link it. Let me see why it didn't link, because I didn't put any. How about this? Add it. You can go there. No. Okay, let me try to put it again. Let me see what is the thing here. I add it. What do I get it? Okay, I'm going to delete this image first, and I'm going to edit again. Add media. It's already there. YouTube marketing secrets. Actually, I want to put it alternative. You can put it there also, but don't have to. And if I put it here, it will show up under the image. Actually, it will show up under the image, and then I can say step by step, TRAININGUIDE, and insert. Now I change this thing and I update. So I need to put that alt text so it can relate it and it can become a link. So when I click on this, it opens up in a new tab and new link. So that's a way to do it, and I can add all the pictures for all and it will look much nicer, just like where was tgmarketingcode.com. And products. Yeah, I have added photos for all of the things, and I have even added this title under the photo. So photo has a caption and title, so that shows up there. So looks much nicer with photo, and even if you have more description, you can add more description, and you can add something. You can put price here also, but let the people go to the page and read out all the good things about the product and then come to know about price. Some people see price here and they say, oh, okay, $9. This one doesn't look very impressive and I don't want to spend $9. They may not even proceed, but this one is just to uh, like make them curious and click on it, and when they go to the page, then there's, this page is much bigger, much detailed, much informative, much more informative. And after doing that and you spending 9.95, it makes much sense rather than doing it here. So if you put price here, may not be so attractive. So don't put anything with price. Just leave it there and let them go to this page and then read out everything. And if still they think they can buy, and sometimes it comes with bonuses also. Yeah, it has bonuses that are not there. Actually, you can copy out this bonus information and put it here also. Bonus is worth $500. So make you can make it more attractive, more appealing, so they are forced to, and they are tempted to click and find out more. And even you can put find click to find out more. The word actually, click to find out more, click the link to find out more, or you can actually, okay, let me teach you how to hyperlink a text in the so we have this. I can put one more word here, click here to find out more. Okay, so this is the text. Now I want to link it. When they click here, they go to this website, the same link where when they click here. Okay, but this one, because it doesn't say click here, they don't know. Sometimes they may not realize, okay, how do I go? Even though you can see when you go there, you see the hand shows up here, but some people may not understand what this hand means and why this clicking means today. So it's better to put the text there. And okay, you need to have the link uh, you need to have this. Okay, we are trying to do which product? This product. Make sure your linking is correct. Don't uh, advertise for one product and go far. So this is Facebook. Copy the link. Go back here. This is a Facebook. Make sure this is Facebook. Now you bring here insert link. Okay. You put here, paste. Make sure it's the same link that you want them to go. This here, Facebook. Okay. And that's all. Enter, apply. Every time you do something, please update. Anything you make on this page, update. So become this wrong one, so I do it again and I update. Okay, so there, now I go there, I reload it. Sorry, this is not TG, this is not ours, this is ours. Okay, so I come here, see, the correction has been done. Click here to find out more. They click here even though it doesn't say click here. Actually, you can put some text that shows up when you bring your mouse here. It will show click to go to the page, but maybe much more complicated. This one is more clearer. Click here to find out more, and they go to this page, and they can read it. They can. Okay, I don't think we need to give this page. This I made one mistake. I have to go back. I can't give this link because this link doesn't have TG's ID. I have to give this link. This link will go without any ID, without any affiliate ID. So I must make sure that I give this link. Go to this page, this link, this one. Okay. This is the one when someone types, and let's try this also. This one will go to the same page. See, it goes, but now it goes under TG's. It will have TG's ID associated with it, and people buying, the money will go to TG. If you are selling, it will go to you. So link is not that, link is this, your product link that you are promoting. So this is the one, copy. I want to hyperlink it. You can edit it. Paste. Even though it looks like this, update. Okay. Goes there. One problem I see with this is it opens in the same tab. So people actually move on from your website and go on to the product page. Let's see if we can, is there a way to make it edit, setting. Okay, open link in a new tab. Okay. Once you do that, again, anything, update. Now if I go and open it in here, reload it with the new setting, and now if I click here, this page will stay here and new tab will open. So that's how I don't walk away from my actual website, because I might be interested in other products as well. So it's a new tab. When I don't like it, I close it. I still have this page open. So that's how we edit the products, and hopefully when the digital marketing is out, what you need to do is uh, come here on your this. Now you are looking at the visual outcome product. You need to go to your text and see http://tg.com Facebook. Just replace this place this with the your link, whatever link you are promoting, whatever, like no brainer had one link with your name at the end, username. So put that link here inside these, these two here. Okay, another is this one, Facebook marketing secrets. Change it with another, whatever product you are doing should be the name of that product. It may be digital elite. Okay, again, Facebook marketing secrets, PLR. Change it to your product name. This is this one actually you can do on the description itself, but you can change here also. This is bundle allows you to become an instant author. This is what here is. Yeah, this Facebook PLR bundle. This one actually you can change in visual mode also, or you can change here also. You see, it's until here. You can put any text what you want, longer, shorter. You can do it here. So once you're done, make your update. Go to visual. So actually you can change text here also. Okay, I can edit something here. Hi, and I say update, it will show up. Hi, okay. So text I can edit here, but the linking I had to go into the inside, and especially this link should be your product when your product is out and you are ready to sell your product. And second link is uh, yeah, this one, the link. There's this link. Let me update this link. You can actually just go to visual and edit this link and change it to whichever link you want to send it. If it's your product, put your product page link and it will go to your product. Once done, apply, update, and it will go to your product. So do practice putting these links, these products inside. I will send you this code, but remember, if you don't change this code later when you have your own product, you will be promoting someone else's product. So when your product is out, go back and make the necessary changes. Change the picture, change this. You can use same code because the code settings are there. You just need to change the links and you need to change the text according to your product. You can have a longer text you feel free to add here, photo you feel free to add here, linking you must change inside the settings here and here. And this is the link. Okay, so with that I think I'll end this quite long, again it's been quite long uh, tutorial. I'll end it here, and if any question just shoot to me and I'll try to answer your questions uh, as much as I can. So have a very good night, and Talk to you again soon.